So we start the annotation by first scanning the QR code. It will take you to this site. The site is on Dynabench. Yeah, so you can read the instruction here. It's LID, language identification task. You'll first see on each page that that has some text that you are to annotate. You select the language that you are proficient in. After selecting the language, you'll have the text presented, and for each of the text, you select the span that belongs to that particular language. So if all of the text on the page after reading carefully belongs to that language or is in that language that you are annotating, you can select all text area and then you click on submit. If you are presented with a text that does not have any of the language or do not have any span that belongs to that language you are annotating for, you can click on skip. So to go into the project, you click on create examples, and it will ask you to either sign up if you don't have account. If you have an account, you can sign in. So I'm signing in using my own username or email and password. Then my password. So I've signed in. So after signing in, then I can also create examples. So creating example will ask me to select the language that I'm annotating for. So I can select Hausa, the one that I am proficient in, and click on select. So if you see, I've already annotated one example. So this is the next one that I'm presented with. So you can choose, you can start reading from the beginning. So gyara duk wanda ya dogara ga Allah da gaske a lokacin da yake mu'amala da kansa, shi ma zai dogara da Allah yayin mu'amala da wasu. Shafi na 58, haƙuri shine riko da farillar littafin Alƙur'ani da Sunna. Peji 59. Yawan ilimi baya sanya mutum ya zama babban malami, a'a, mai hankali shine wanda ya aiki da iliminsa ya yi riko da sunna, zai iya zama kaɗan daga iliminsa. Pejin 59. Wannan bawan da yake da'awar ilimin Ubangiji amma yana neman aminci a wajen wani Allah, ya shiga cikin tsanani mai tsanani. Amma idan ya yi kyau ya nemi gafarar Ubangiji Maɗaukakin Sarki, sai a kawar da kuncinsa. Idan mai da'awar ilimin Ubangiji bai nisanta kansa da jama'a ba, Allah ta'ala ya raba shi da rahamarsa, yana mai sha'awa har mutane suka ƙi shi, ya rasa duniya da imani. So if you see, this is Hausa. This is also Hausa. This is Hausa. This is Hausa. So I will have annotated all, but page, and there is no P in Hausa, so page 59. If it presented in Hausa will be Shafi 59. It might be just S or in full Shafi. Oh yeah, this is all 59. And it also says retrieved from this. So retrieved is English, so I won't annotate this. I might look at other optional annotations to see if there are things that I will want to annotate. So does this contain any sexual or explicit content? No. Is it toxic? No. Are there non-standard orthography, meaning the spelling or punctuation or writing convention that deviate from language norms? I can select this as yes. So this is optional annotation. If you don't like, you can just skip it. Why I selected yes is if you look at this line, there is kunchinsa. So kunchinsa here, I'm selecting this again. This is supposed to, like the key here, so supposed to be a specialized key in Hausa, but they use the key in, and there is also Rico, which is the key also supposed to be in the specialized Hausa with a cap, but it was not presented here. So that's why I selected that there is some non-standard this thing here. So if I am spelling the word correctly, I'm supposed to have the K with the cap. So also Hausa, as we know, uses the standard K and also the K with the cap. And K, you call it K as in Hausa, while K with the cap, you call it Ka, Ka. So, yeah. So, boilerplate. The snippet contains logistic content, but most of the content is part of a template. Meaning, is it a form or is it standard alert or is it menu? No. So I'm skipping this three, but selecting this, and then I will click on submit. So there is a success message, and then you will have the next text. So gara, gara. So gara, gara might be Hausa. Yeah. Wasu ƙananan. So as you see, what I was explaining, the K with the cap, wasu ƙananan ƙwari or gara, wasu ƙananan ƙwari ne da ake samu a gida ko daji da suke haɗa muhallinsu da ƙasa. So the K also here, which is ƙasa, meaning ground or sand. An fi samun su musamman a guraren ajiye-ajiye na kayan ci da amfanin yau da kullum. Sannan duka abin da gara ta shige shi yakan iya canzawa daga yanayinsa ya koma ƙasa. Gara, so ma'ana ta biyu, meaning the second definition of what gara is. Gara, I think, is low cost, I think. Okay, yeah, I think. So wani suna ne da ake iya danganta mutum da shi a yayin da yake aiwatar da wani abu bayan cikin nutsuwa ba. So yeah, this is second definition of gara. Ma'ana ta uku, meaning the third definition or meaning, wata gudunmawa ce ta kayan abinci da iyayen amarya ko mai jego suke haɗa ma 'yarsu bayan an kai ta ɗakin ta tana amarya ko bayan ta haihu an daga. So if we see all of this, there is help and info, which is English, so we'll skip that. This is Hausa. Gara also is Hausa. Ma'ana ta biyu until the end is Hausa. Daga is Hausa. Rukuni, meaning section, is Hausa. Kalmomi masu sauti is Hausa. Gyara bayan wannan gyaran bayan wannan shafi ranar this is Hausa. An samar da makulli ƙarƙashin lasisin Creative Commons. Until this is Hausa. Creative Commons is English here, like license. Mai yiwuwa sharuɗa ƙa'idojin amfanin gudanar da muke yi da domin ƙarin bayani. Also, this is Hausa. So, and then I will submit. So basically, this is what is expected in the shared task or in the annotation. We'll see this during the hackathon, but you are encouraged to start annotating as much as possible. Thank you.